Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to connect JBL Authentics 300 to an Android phone. To connect it, download an app from Google Play Store. Go to Google Play Store and search for JBL One. Then press on Install and wait a moment for the app to install. Then, after a while, press on Open and make sure your speaker is turned on, and if it's turned on, then you can continue configuring the app. Press on Accept, then Get Started. Now allow a permission to location and allow it to find nearby devices, and you can see it finds JBL Authentics 300. Click on Connect. Then click on the Hard button on your speaker. Choose a network. I'm gonna choose this Wi-Fi network and enter its password. Connect. And now wait a moment. Press on Done. Now you can also set up Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, or click on Later to set it up later. And in the Home tab of the app, you can find that your speaker is connected. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.